you guys? It is Heretic here with our third and final part of the legendary bird captures. This is Articuno, my favorite of the legendary birds, so let's get this started. Beautiful, ain't she? I can deal with that mist. I appreciate it. I don't, however, like that agility. And that mind reader is scary. Okay. Alright, buddy, let's go put her to sleep. Oh, don't be fast. You don't need to be fast. Oh, that ice beam's gonna suck. Ouch. Night-night, though. Not very candy. Alright. Oh, I thought I was gonna get it. Should've known. Can't get something less good on the first try. Oh, the one rocks are killing me. You can give me one, you can give me two. You can give me two, you can give me three. If you can give me three, you should be captured. But no, it's only doing once. I woke up, no! Well, sure, I'll use my next Pokemon, why wouldn't I? I have no one to put it to sleep. That sucks. But we shall carry on. Is Mind Reader really necessary? Oh, it appeared to be caught. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. And that third agility just was completely unnecessary. Or the second, I don't know which one that was. I'm pretty sure that was the third. Yeah, that was the third. Because that was the fourth. See, that agility, just not fair at all. Not fair. Oh my goodness. It's like it's not even hurt. Ooh, that's gonna hurt. Ouch. Oh my goodness. That hurt a lot more than I thought it would. Hey, there's two. Oh, that's torture. If you can give me two, you can give me three. You can give me three, you can give me a catch. Come on now. Oh, this is torture. How could you do this to me? Come on now, come on. Oh. There it is. Articuno is caught. That is the third of the birds. Our legendary capture is over for now. I will catch you guys back later. This is Haunted Heretic. Peace.